All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. It is the sport model. This beautiful red with tan interior, 34,000 miles, super nice alloy wheels, premium sound step, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice. And best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing here. Your tire thread under 430 seconds. Let's double check that. Under 430 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. You jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage of 34,131. Bunch of complete your tool for in here. Open it up. I got some stuff over here too. Keeping it moving. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Your deck lid here looks good. Here's your trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a compartment back here. Boom. And then you got another one here that houses your spare tire and your owner's manuals there. Not your spare tire tools. Spare tire, I believe, is underneath the car. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing there. And your tire thread here is over 430 seconds, under 7. Here's your front passenger seat. The other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Driver's door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim does have some curbing. You can see 2 here and 2 here, 2 more here. Just say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And the tire thread is under 430 seconds. Am I not even in the groove? No. Yep, under 430 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour. Just a heavy scratch, and I have not even a scratch. It's just some crap on there. Lights are working, things are running. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the sport model with 34,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.